that you're not liked. Now, think about this. We think about young people in the... because they're...
Gray skies blue, hear the turn saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that. I'm at that.
Contaminate life. You're the problem with this world. We don't want you around us. We're trying to build our own little kingdom, and don't bother me. I'm reading Christian books, and I'm listening to Christian radio, and I'm watching Christian TV, and I am playing Christian music, and I don't want you to come in and mess my world up. Or the opposite extreme, I'm a Christian, but I'm going to live in a world. Give me the world, baby. And so I pick up the lifestyle of the world, and I live like what I often call a Secret Service saint, where, in other words, kind of a clear-all Christian. Nobody knows for sure but God. That kind of a camouflage Christianity. I mean, I am going to live in the world, I'm going to be of the world, and I am not going to offend anybody, because I want to have a relationship with the non-Christian world. Well, that's nice and dandy. It sounds really interesting, and certainly would be exciting, but I want to caution all of us. Three words: guard against
chopper dog
extremes. I wish you would write that down on a 3x5 and stick it on the visor of your car. I wish you would tape it on the mirror in your bathroom. Guard against extremes.
There's all the geese.
In any area, let me tell you, Satan is the expert of extremes. He loves to give you the freedom to take truth and go to seed on it. That's how heresy gets going, by the way. Heresy is nothing more than a truth taken to extreme. And when you take it to its farthest extreme, you can't even identify the truth where it started. It's truth gone to seed. Guard against extremes. Now, for the sake of our time together, we're thinking about not the other kind of extremes I illustrated, but this fourth kind I just described. Becoming so exclusively Christian that we lose touch with the world, or becoming so worldly, no one would even know we're born again. Look at John 17:11. Jesus was praying. This is what I would call late breaking, up to the minute, final scene in Jesus' prayer life. This is petition in the last few hours before he is arrested and crucified. He's about to leave the earth. His disciples are staying on the earth. As you read through these pronouns, the I is a reference to Jesus himself. The thee is a reference to God the Father. The they is a reference to the followers, the disciples. By application.